more people consider it's necessary to useful the neural stem cell only, and have doubts related to mesenchymal stem cell and more doubts related to the adipose, because consider that the adipose is the tissue not special related with the nervous system. But the question is, it's not necessary to replacement of the neural cell for the mesenchymal stem cell or another type of cell. It's not necessary replacement. The mechanism of the stem cell in general is to promote the production of the new neural cell into the brain and organize and repair the brain damage. But this question is not well understood by all people.